let's talk about 3 reasons why you want to use color coding in your cleaning business. Cross-contamination is the #1 reason why we use color coding. We want to make sure that we can tell which towels are used for what surfaces. So the last thing I want to do is have a towel that I think is being used to clean a toilet that is also cleaning the table that I'm eating my lunch on.
Ew, gross.
Having different color towels for different color surfaces is essential when it comes to infection prevention. So let's talk about color coding, how we do it, what colors we use for what surfaces. Here at OctoClean, it's very simple for us. We use blue, green, yellow, and sometimes red.
Sometimes, but not all the time.
So let's get into that. So blue, our blue towels are used for glass. Glass is a surface that's very finicky when it comes to what that towel has been used on before. If I'm using it on a surface and then I put it to glass, a lot of times it becomes streaky. So I have a towel designated just for my glass surfaces, whether that's entry doors and exit doors, whether that's countertops that may be glass in offices. So blue is always for my glass. Next we go to green. Green is what we call our surface towel. That's used for all surfaces. So that's used for maybe your sink and your mirror in your bathroom, to kitchen tables, things like that in your common areas or your desks. And so all surface cleaning. And of course, we have yellow. When we're looking at yellow towels are for infectious surfaces. So in your office, what's considered an infectious surface? We're looking at toilets, urinals, commodes, things like that, that would be very infectious. And then lastly, we have red. So what is red used for? A lot of people don't really realize this, but we use red for operating room environments.
And the operating room, it's clean, clean, clean.
So we know that those towels are being used for terminal cleaning in the operating rooms. Those are laundered a lot different than your regular towels, and those are segregated from all of our towels, from our yellow, red, blue, green. The second reason that we do color coding is for efficiency, or how fast can I get in and out of a building, and how well my employees know what to use, which makes them faster and faster. By segregating my towels between yellow, green, and blue in a regular office environment, my employees can easily prepare for their night by knowing I have enough towels to clean my restrooms, my office areas, and my glass. By having color coding, it enables your employee to be able to easily recognize, do they have enough supplies, enough towels, to complete their night? And if not, they'll be able to prepare beforehand before you're on the job site. So that's the second reason how color coding can help improve your efficiency. Reason number 3 to use color coding. When training your employees, the most difficult thing for a supervisor to do is to be able to tell, are they using the training that you gave them correctly? By using color coding, you could stand at a distance and know the training that you gave them by saying yellow, let's say in a restroom, on your restroom or highly contaminated surfaces like toilets, urinals, things like that, that's actually being used.
Great job, everyone.
You can see that they're using that green towel for cleaning the surfaces, and that blue towel is being used for cleaning that glass. So as a supervisor, that enables you to pinpoint which employees may need a little bit more training on what is the biggest fear, cross-contamination, because really that's why we're doing the color coding. But it does enable you to say, how effective is my training? By monitoring that color coding process, it tells you as a supervisor or a business owner that the way that I trained, it got received and they know what they're doing. I want to thank you guys for watching, and remember, color coding is essential in any cleaning business.